So in this problem it says points A, B, and C are collinear. Now they give us the lengths, but they don't tell us what order they're in. So we want to determine the points that cannot lie between the other two. So we have three options. We have A, B, C, A, C, B, and C, A, B. Those are our three options. So in this situation, AB plus BC should equal AC. So in this situation, we've got 2x plus 10 plus x plus x minus 4 equals 21. So we have 3x plus 6 equals 21. So if I subtract the 6, we get 15, and x equals 5. So that one's okay. B can be in the middle, no problem. For this one, can C be in the middle? So if C is in the middle, then AC plus CB, or BC, same thing, equals AB. So 21 plus x minus 4 equals 2x plus 10. So this is x plus 17 equals 2x plus 10. So 17 equals 2x. Nope, I brought the x over. Forgot that. Plus 10. Subtract. If I subtract the 10 over, we get 7 equals x. So that one works. So what about this one? Now, they said determine your answer to the capital letters possible. Now, just by the pigeonhole principle, A should be the one that doesn't work, but we got to check it. So AC and AB should equal this. So 21 plus 2x plus 10 equals x minus 4. So we have 2x plus 31 equals x minus 4. So when we do that, I bring the x over. X plus 31 equals negative 4. So x equals negative 35. So that one is the problem. That's the no-go. We can't have an x with a negative value here because negative lengths are meaningless. So that's why the answer was letter A.